809 Field Training Officer Course for Law Enforcement Practice Test. Question 1. What is the primary role of a Field Training Officer, FTO? A. To catch the trainee making mistakes. B. To act as a mentor, trainer, and evaluator for new officers. C. To do all the work while the trainee watches. Or D. To report the trainee to the chief. The correct answer is B. To act as a mentor, trainer, and evaluator for new officers. The FTO bridges the gap between the academy and solo patrol. Question 2. The SAGO or San Jose model is a common framework for A. Shooting tactics, B. Field training and evaluation programs, C. Budgeting, or D. Recruitment. The correct answer is B. Field training and evaluation programs. The San Jose model is the foundation for most modern FTO programs. Question 3. What is the halo effect in performance evaluation? A. Rating a trainee high in all areas because they are good in one area. B. A type of emergency light. C. Rating everyone as average. Or D. Giving a trainee a promotion. The correct answer is A. Rating a trainee high in all areas because they are good in one area. The halo effect is a common bias where one positive trait overshadows other weaknesses. Question 4. Standardized evaluation guidelines, SEGs, are used to A. Make the evaluation process subjective. B. Ensure all trainees are evaluated against the same objective criteria. C. Make the job harder. Or D. Keep the FTO from having to write. The correct answer is B. Ensure all trainees are evaluated against the same objective criteria. SEGs provide specific behavioral descriptions for each rating level. Question 5. How should an FTO handle a trainee's mistake that does not involve safety? A. Intervene immediately and take over. B. Let the trainee realize the mistake and discuss it during the debrief. C. Ignore it forever. Or D. Write a formal reprimand. The correct answer is B. Let the trainee realize the mistake and discuss it during the debrief. Allowing controlled mistakes is a powerful learning tool, provided safety is maintained. Question 6. The DOOR stands for A. Daily Observation Report. B. Department of Records. C. Driver on Road. Or D. Detailed Officer Review. The correct answer is A. Daily Observation Report. The DOOR is the daily document where the FTO records the trainee's performance. Question 7. What is liability in the context of an FTO? A. The trainee's uniform. B. Legal responsibility for the actions of the trainee. C. The cost of the squad car. Or D. The FTO's retirement plan. The correct answer is B. Legal responsibility for the actions of the trainee. FTOs can be held liable for failure to train or failure to supervise. Question 8. In the explain, demonstrate, participate, observe EDPO method, what happens during observe? A. The FTO does the task. B. The trainee performs the task independently while the FTO watches. C. They both do it together. Or D. The trainee reads the manual. The correct answer is B. The trainee performs the task independently while the FTO watches. Observation is the final stage where the trainee proves competency. Question 9. A trainee who is plateauing is A. Getting better every day. B. Showing no improvement over a period of time. C. Failing every task. Or D. Ready for solo patrol. The correct answer is B. Showing no improvement over a period of time. Plateauing is common and requires the FTO to adjust training methods to spark progress. Question 10. The FTO should provide feedback to the trainee. A. Only at the end of the month. B. As soon as possible after the event, immediate feedback. C. Only when the trainee asks. Or D. In front of the whole department. The correct answer is B. As soon as possible after the event, immediate feedback. Timely feedback is essential for the trainee to connect the action with the evaluation. Question 11. What is remedial training? A. Training for the FTO. B. Extra training provided to correct a specific deficiency. C. The first week of academy. or D, a punishment for the trainee? The correct answer is B, extra training provided to correct a specific deficiency. Remedial training is a constructive tool to help a struggling trainee reach standards. Question 12. An FTO must remain objective. This means A, focusing on personal feelings about the trainee, B, basing evaluations on observable facts and behaviors, C, only looking at the trainee's mistakes, or D, comparing the trainee to the best officer in the department. The correct answer is B, basing evaluations on observable facts and behaviors. Objectivity ensures fairness and legal defensibility of the program. Question 13. The recency effect is a bias where the evaluator A, rates based on the first day, B, rates based only on the most recent events of the shift, C, rates based on the trainee's age, or D, rates everyone the same. The correct answer is B, rates based only on the most recent events of the shift. Evaluations should reflect the entire shift, not just the last call. Question 14. Adult learning theory andragogy suggests that adults learn best when A, they are treated like children, B, the training is relevant and problem-centered, C, they only listen to lectures, or D, they have no input in the process. The correct answer is B, the training is relevant and problem-centered. FTOs should use the trainee's experience and focus on practical application. Question 15. What is the primary officer role for a trainee in the middle phase? A, the FTO handles the call, B, the trainee handles the call while the FTO acts as backup, C, the trainee stays in the car, or D, they switch every hour. The correct answer is B, the trainee handles the call while the FTO acts as backup. As training progresses, the trainee takes the lead on more calls. Question 16. A critical incident in field training is one that A, is very boring, B, involves a significant success or failure that must be documented in detail, C, happens every day, or D, only involves a car crash. The correct answer is B, involves a significant success or failure that must be documented in detail. Critical incidents serve as milestones in the evaluation process. Question 17. Why is documentation so important in an FTO program? A, to keep the FTO busy, B, to provide a legal and professional record of the trainee's progress, C, to satisfy the media, or D, to avoid talking to the trainee. The correct answer is B, to provide a legal and professional record of the trainee's progress. Documentation protects the agency, the FTO, and the trainee in case of termination or lawsuits. Question 18. Terminal objectives are A, the tasks the trainee must perform to successfully complete the program, B, the end of the FTO's career, C, the rules of the jail, or D, the final exam at the academy. The correct answer is A, the tasks the trainee must perform to successfully complete the program. These are the goals that define solo-ready status. Question 19. The relationship between an FTO and a trainee should be A, a close personal friendship, B, a professional teacher-student relationship, C, a competitive rivalry, or D, an indifferent one. The correct answer is B, a professional teacher-student relationship. Professional boundaries are necessary for effective evaluation. Question 20. What should an FTO do if they identify a personality conflict? A, ignore it, B, notify the FTO coordinator and remain professional, C, purposely fail the trainee, or D, quit the program. The correct answer is B, notify the FTO coordinator and remain professional. Reporting the conflict allows the department to decide if a change in FTO is necessary.